Ever wondered which cars are the most expensive to run in the UK? According to recent research, the average UK motorist spends around £13,364 a year just to keep their car on the road. But the gap between the cheapest and priciest models is huge, with a difference of over £16,000 a year in running costs. At the top of the list is the BMW i4, costing a staggering £24,191 per year. Most of this comes from high finance charges, but insurance and taxes also add up quickly. The Land Rover Defender and Audi Q6 e-tron aren't far behind, with annual costs of £22,820 and £22,639 respectively. These models also see some of the highest rates of depreciation, meaning they lose value faster than most other cars. On the other end of the scale, the Dacia Sandero is the cheapest car to run, with yearly costs of just £7,715. Affordable finance, low insurance, and minimal maintenance make it a standout for budget-conscious drivers. The Renault 5 and MG3 also offer low running costs, making them great options for those looking to save. So, whether you're considering a luxury SUV or a compact city car, it pays to look beyond the sticker price and consider the true cost of ownership.
Quotezone insurance comparison. Find a better